Alright, this project, like I said, is very easy to make. So you will need a pen and 4 sizes of margarita Swarovski crystals. I will list the website where you can get these. You will need a flat pen, and then you will need a star for the top. If you don't have, no worries, you don't really need it. You do need for the bottom, for the base is the bead spacer. This I use is in red, and for the top I use 4mm bicones, earrings, hooks, flat nose pliers, and this tool. I'm telling you, I love this tool. I use this one a lot. It's 1.5mm loops, which is to make a loop like that. So let's get started. So first you take your pins and you take the spacer, the bottom, and you just stack from large to small flowers. So you just stack on top of each other, and then bicones on the top, just like that. All right, so now you take your tool, loops tool. So you just insert here and just to wherever you want. So for me, because I'm gonna have the star on top, I am going to somehow measure enough space for the star to float. So I'm gonna do like right there. So I want to say about 0.7 centimeters. Okay, now you put your fingers right there and you insert to that loops, and then you just pretty much cut it. See how easy that is? It makes you a loop for you right there. And then you do need some kind of pliers, just to like flatten, tighten a little bit, and make sure it's not like open too far or too sharp. So that's it. And then you take your earrings hooks, and you just open the earring hooks a little bit, and then you take your stars, put it in your star first, and then you take your Christmas tree and you just close it, and make sure you tighten a little bit. So that's it. So now you have a Christmas tree with the stars. I made in different colors. Here I use silver and some green beads. I also did in white. You can like mix and create your style. I also make another one, you know, just different base, different, whichever. I think it's cool with different crystals. So if you like this video, this is a very easy. I make several these earrings and I give to my friends and families, and they actually love them and they wear them every Christmas. So if you like this videos, feel free to share with your friends. And again, thank you for watching.